Hi everybody, it's Holly, the Twister Sister here. Welcome back to my channel. I am here to teach you guys the art and craft of balloon twisting. And today we are going to be doing a creeper. That's right, Minecraft is hot. It's back. Thanks to PewDiePie. If you guys don't know who PewDiePie is, go subscribe. He's almost at 100 freaking million subscribers. Can I get just like a few of those? Holy cow. And he has brought Minecraft back single-handedly. So be prepared for creeper requests and pickaxes and diamond swords and all those things. Today we're going to be doing the creeper. So to make this fun little easy and fast design that I love, you're only going to need 3 balloons. I've got two 260s in different shades of green, and then just a 5-inch green round. This is the lime green. And then you're also going to need to pop that like button if you haven't already. It really does help out with the algorithm, so make sure you pop it and pop it good, and that will help me out a whole lot. Now to start off, I've inflated both of these balloons about halfway. They've got about 4-inch tails there, and I like to start off the creepers with 4 pinch twists at the neck. This will help secure the head and hold it all in place. So tie your balloons together and then go ahead and start making pinch twists. We're going to do this first bubble here. Once you get the bubble, you're going to twist it around itself. Do the same thing again right beside there. Make your little bubble. Pull that bubble out on its own and twist. Alright, that's how you do a pinch twist. They used to call it a twist twist. That wouldn't make any sense. Okay, then we're going to do the same thing on the other color green we have, dark green. Just going to do 2 pinch twists. And then I like to flip these guys so that they're alternating colors. If you're not familiar with Minecraft yet, it's very pixelated. Everything is square and pixelated, and the creepers sort of have different shades of green all pixelated over their bodies. So that's why I like to use the 2 different colors. It is difficult to do square pixelated things with balloons that are round, but we're going to try our best today. Once you get to this point, then we are going to twist these 2 together. And you don't want this body to be too long because they're not really tall creatures. So I'm going to go, I don't know, that long. And then they've got like weird little blocky feet things. And so I just do loops on the bottom. So I take each color and I do 2 loops to finish off the bottom of the creeper. This is definitely a line work design, which means it's something that's very fast that you could do if you have a big line standing in front of you. And a few years ago, these were super popular, and I would make a ton of them at my events, and I always loved creeper requests. There's 100 million people that watch and are subscribed to PewDiePie, so probably some of them will be at your parties. So I do 4 little loops here on the bottom, and just same thing with like alternating the colors around, and that is going to be our creeper's body. Now for the head, really fast and easy, we're just going to blow up our 5-inch round and place it on top. I'm not even going to tie this bad boy. I've just inflated it one-handed, if you didn't notice. And we're going to attach the head into our little cluster of 4 pinch twists here at the top. I didn't even tie that balloon off. We are getting crazy up in here. Bum, ba, ba. I know this looks totally weird, but I promise you every kid that I've ever given one of these to has been very happy with it. They love these things, and then they'll come and get more, and their friends will ask for more. And the great thing about creepers is that if it pops, that's what they're supposed to do, because creepers explode. So you can just tell them that their creeper exploded. And it's like, oh, haha. I'm just kidding. Anyway, for the face, you can draw the faces on, but something even better is to go to badaboomstickers.com. Liz has creeper face stickers that are amazing. They're vinyl and they're all put together, so you just slap the whole face on in one application. You don't have to like put the eye and then the other eye and then the mouth and line it all up. You just slap it on and you're done. I'm all out of my stickers because I use those things all the time, so I'm going to show you how to draw the face on. It's just squares, so you don't have to be afraid of it. But do yourself a favor and get yourself a bunch of creeper sticker faces. Liz, be ready for orders. So to draw the creeper face, you're just going to start off drawing 2 squares. So it's going to be the eyes, nothing difficult there. And then we're going to connect sort of the eyes with a square underneath the eyes and just about touching those bottom corners. And you could, I guess, think of this as like a nose. And then off to the side of that, we're gonna do like rectangles coming down on either side of that. So like that. And we'll do another one on the other side. All right. And then we're just gonna fill everything in with black, and this is where it's helpful to get a nice thick Sharpie brush tip, or maybe one of those fat Sharpie markers. I like the brush tips because I can go thin and thick with the same marker and not have to change what I'm holding. So there you have it, the finished creeper. That's all there is to these creepers. I personally, so I'm not like, I've never played Minecraft, but I do love watching PewDiePie's series. I love adding arms to these guys. Super, super cute looking if you give them arms, but they don't actually have arms in the game. And so I always ask kids, like, do you want your creeper to have arms or no arms? And they always say no arms because creepers don't have arms. But I'm just telling you guys, they are really cute with arms. So in any case, try these out. Let me know what you think. This is a great addition to have on your menus to sort of hit those kids that are maybe like 10, a little bit older, and give them something that they might like as well. So try this out, add it to your balloon twisting menus, and let me know how you enjoy making creepers at your events. If you guys have any suggestions for tutorials you want to see next, make sure to drop those in the comments, and also don't forget to pop that like button. Really helps me out so that YouTube knows I'm here. And if you haven't subscribed already, you probably want to go ahead and do that if you are into balloons and watching people make stuff out of balloons. That's what I do, and we're just going to spread joy and happiness around the internet with our balloon creations. So if you want to be a part of that, make sure you are subscribed. Stay tuned for my next tutorial. We've got a few cool choices over here that you can pick from, and I'll see you over in the next video. Bye.